From the 15th of the 12th month of 1446. Why I am still a Luciferian. It predates history. It contemplates a direction of energy to the negative and feminine deprived Westerner. Becoming may seem confined to demonology. The imperative of the right-hand path doesn't have to end up in a false ego that denies individuality. A Lucifer uses techniques of self-realization and self-actualization without having to accept or deny any particular spirituality. In fact, they will use these things pragmatically. Since 2003, I have self-identified as a Lucifer for solo work and what has an impact ionically. Now, I didn't find out about Michael W. Ford till, what, a decade later? I looked at the historical use and the linguistic use of the term Lucifer and Luciferos is something I wish to embody. And the work of Howard Bloom, Lucifer Principle, was one of the things that kind of provoked me down this path of consideration as a Lucifer.